In this short video, I'm going to discuss the working principle of our proposed power supply. First, we have a EDM zone, as you can see here, where the tool and the workpiece are connected to the EDM power supply unit, which causes the repeated spark between the tool and workpiece, and eventually the material is removed from the workpiece. Now, we also have in this power supply an onboard computer which consists of three major units, which are basically machine learning based recommender system and an adaptive controller and EDM power parameter setter. This onboard computer is also connected with a HMI, which is nothing but a touch screen, where the users can give input to the ML-based recommender system, such as expected machining time, expected tool wear rate, expected feature accuracy, such as spark gap, taperness, etc., and the material properties for which they are going to carry out the machining. By taking this input, the ML-based recommender system will provide the recommended power setting, and eventually EDM power supply unit will follow that setting to generate the spark accordingly between the tool and workpiece. At the same time, we are going to monitor the EDM processing parameters such as depth progression rate, discharge current, and the discharge voltage in real time, so that we can carry out the adaptive control and maintain the EDM power setting in such a way to get the optimal EDM performance. So this will be connected to the EDM power setter as well. So this is basically the working principle of our proposed new EDM power supply. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.